And welcome. Today we are talking about O stands for overlook. Overlook the small things in your marriage. And this one is part number 21. There are many petty things in a marriage and we need to overlook a lot of things. As what he said, before marriage, go with open eyes, both eyes. After marriage, close one eye. You got to overlook a lot of things. Ask yourself a very important question when you're arguing or you're having a big fight. What difference will this thing have that we are fighting about? Will it make a difference in 10 years' time? What are we fighting about? Will it make a difference in 5 years' time? In a year's time, will we even worry about what's happening? Will it really make that much of a difference? So always ask yourself the thing, but if it's a serious thing, say about your kid's future, your schooling, if it's like a 10-year decision, yes, then have a serious argument about it. But if it's a petty thing, don't make a train smash out of it. Overlook things. Most of the stresses of daily life are due to petty differences. This applies to any group of people who are in close proximity to each other, where married couples, even work colleagues. Even work colleagues can have fights over petty things. These petty differences can get on your nerves. They work on your nerves because there's no solution to it. It's so petty. It's so irritating. It's so petty. It's unnecessary stress. Because we all have our own personal likes and dislikes. The key to coping with these petty differences that annoy the heck out of us is to overlook. You've got to close one eye. You've got to overlook things. You have to develop a thick skin like a rhinoceros or an elephant. And sometimes you have to adopt the policy, okay, I'm going to listen with this ear, take it out of that ear. Marriage is a lot about overlooking a lot of the minor or petty issues that are known as the mosquitoes of marriage. I call it the mosquito. There's so many petty things like a mosquito. You say, itch, itch. Don't make a big deal about the mosquitoes of marriage, Benjamin Franklin said famously, keep your eyes wide open before marriage and half shut afterwards. After marriage, close one eye. Okay, stay well, look after yourself.